Alright, we'll do it this time.
That's really in there.
Hang on, hang on. I got
I used to manage a bunch of restaurants, and I wouldn't hire somebody to fry cook who didn't know how to fry. Is that what they're calling these days?
Wait. Here it comes. Oh, it didn't come up. Hold on, hold on. Wait. Oh! Nope, I dropped. Oh no! Come back.
When you ride in the back of a truck with a young person these days, you gotta learn how to do this. Yeah. He was
Hey, our boiler fires up the same way on the ship. When the boiler fires up, it's got the same electrodes it's talking about.
Based on the load. If the load gets greater, they speed the motor up.
This is week 2 of HVAC school. We are treating ourselves to some massage chairs. This guy made the smart choice of swinging his credit card. Now he has 10 minutes left of his massage. How are we doing?
Feels good. 10:30.
10:30.
10:30.
Yep. How's it treating you over there?
It's good.
It's great. Yep. 10:30 on the clock. Yep. Mine already stopped because I'm cheap and I only put $1 in. I might put another one in. I don't deserve this pampered treatment that I'm experiencing. It is nice though. It is.
It is.
I don't know. I guess I could.
It feels really good.
I could rationalize it and say that I did good on my test today, so I'm gonna treat myself. I guess I could put it that way. Look at you. I feel like you're doing the shimmy over here.
I'm having a seizure.
It's a good seizure though.
It is a good seizure.
Yeah. Any closing messages for the last seconds of your massage?
Always put your credit card in instead of $1.
Yeah, okay. Oop. You got feathers everywhere. Where that hawk finally got him something to eat today. What is this guy doing? What is he? He's swimming in nothing. He's drunk. It's okay, little fish. You're not gonna drown. Stop swimming. Stop it. Someone help this man. This is a voltage tester. This is a clock tower. Nope. Nothing? What about over here? Oh, got some lights here. Let's see. Oh, started to get something. Oh, that's still pretty good. We're safe. That's it. That's 2 of HVAC, and we are doing fantastic, boys. Right? Yep.
I'm just gonna start drinking
Yeah.
Everyone else left $11.
It's a HVAC tradition.
Let's give it up for it.
I'm being violated. Calm down. It's just a massage.
I don't like that. Why is it right on your ass? Make sure you're not constipated.
You end up like 2 tours.
Listen.
2 tours.
I'm doing a lot. I deserve this.
HVAC work.
So you made 60 on that core test. What about the other 2 tests? You passed the other 2 tests? HVAC
Look at this guy.
in building
Just ate lunch.
17.
Now he's getting dessert.